how to enable or disable fingerprint unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, scroll down. Then tap on security and privacy. After that, we tap on lock screen. In here, put in the lock screen PIN or password. Then tap on continued. In here, we then scroll down and then tap on fingerprints. After that, tap on fingerprint unlock. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.